Diyos pong oras kay kayungan, kareng hanggang miyembro na ng Santa Maria Minalin Archives. Maragol mi pong kapasalamatan ng kayong milabasan na banwa, kayang tabi na kayong pane, kareng historical ang pong momentous events, emunin Pampanga, nune mga palawot. Ako'y meto kong pangarap para kaya kayo, datang itang panahon na hanggang kay ngaliwang bansa, magi kayong metong kareng mayayag ka to document deng Philippine or Kapampangan events, lalong-lalo na. Happy anniversary and luwid kayungan, pangarapan ko ing mas marakalpan documentation para kay katamungan, para king Labuad Kapampangan at king bansang Pilipinas.
Maya Pawaras po, in celebration of the 11th year anniversary of Santa Maria Archive Minalin, we, the officers and members of the Katipunan Daring Talasaliksik at Talaturong Kapampangan, would like to take this opportunity to express our appreciation to your contribution in the promotion and preservation of our Kapampangan culture. For us advocates from the Academe, it is hard for us to be present in every Kapampangan traditional celebration and document local industries and other heritage-related activities, given the demands of academic work. Documentation requires not only time but also resources, physical effort, and of course, that burning passion. But thanks to the efforts of Santa Maria Archive Minalin, traditional activities in almost every part of Pampanga are being documented. Without this, we would be losing valuable information that are essential to research and of course in preserving our traditions for posterity. Currently, where different digital platforms are being used extensively, let us take inspiration from Santa Maria Archive Minalin that technology can also become an instrument in the promotion and preservation of our Kapampangan identity, not only among the youth but also to the world. After many years, when we would recall the past, we would not only look back through memories in our minds, but also through different media to constantly remind us of our rich and unique Kapampangan traditions, as well as how they stood the test of time. To Santa Maria Archive Minalin, happy 11th anniversary. We are looking forward to future collaborative works with you and other advocates. Lakal pong salamat kay kayong lugod kay kulturang Kapampangan. Luwid kayo.
Kaya kayo dyan, ang grupo na ng Santa Maria Minalin Archive sa panimuna ng Brother Nomer, matula na kayong pupugayan, kaniting laring metong yung banwang anibersaryo ng kayong pangatatag. Diyo, marakal kayo asasaw king pamipaulaga at pamanyikap king kulturang Kapampangan. At balo ko, marakal kayo na manasaw patagawa, mo kay kulturang Kapampangan, nung kayong pamipaulaga at pamipasulong mo naman, karimiayalo ang heritage values na ng Santa Iglesia. Kaya matula na kayong bayan at matula na kayong akayang tabi. Sana ang Ginong Diyos, bendisyonan ako palalo at dagdagan na pa hanggang grasyang kailangan nyo ang pong tatanggapan ba nasulong iting masanting yung inumpisan. Nakala salamat at maya pa oras kay kayo Santa Maria Minalin Archives kay kayong masanting adaraptan.
Maya pa pinandit po. Karing bibilog po king tetagan ng Santa Maria Archive Minalin, metong yung dangalan yung akayabi at akilalat ako po. Metong nga bagay pagmaragul ko, anti mong metong mo naman po karing gagambol para ng kultura at belwa na pangbalayan, yung ikit ming asaw ng tetagan na iti. Tetagan na may buo, pauli ng malalamda na manalugod, king intong balayan at king labot Kapampangan. Pilan na mo rin banwang masingkad ng milabas, may yakit, lang sasap, anti mong mag-cover, king paralang dokumentong visual, gamit yung karelang sariling kamera at kasangkapang pang video, yung karelang darake karing miyaliwang pusyunan. Festival yaman yan, kimuta na keta o nuo ka rin man, miyaliwang piyaglon, o ding dakala makakalingwan na senayan. Akit at akit tala pong gugusal king lalab ng mapaling aldo o king libutan ng mauran na bigagap. Their name in its truest sense carry a legacy of documenting the vanishing traditions here and around the Kapampangan region and archive these collections for public consumption, for researchers, students, and advocates of Kapampangan and Filipiniana status in general. The good thing about them is that they perform this hard labor assignment not with any monetary reason, which is very far to help in this kind of endeavor. Instead, it is their passion and obsession to contribute for the goodness of human culture, the countryside history that are the very ingredients in instilling the pride we badly need nowadays to know better who we are, not just ordinary Filipinos, but as good memale na Kapampangan. Pasibayo, karing bibilog po king tiyatagan ning Santa Maria Archive Binalin, ako po kambeding aguman, ming katatagan, ing bagpiapuge, at kapsalamatan king anibersaryong iti. Metong katunayan, malaot ako po disan, at atin pang malaot pong sadsad kaparasan. Luwid ko po.
Hi, Kong Meng and Santa Maria Archive team. Happy 11 years!
Masaya at makabaldugan na anibersaryo King Santa Maria Archive, King Minalin. King karelang kalabing metong abanwang anibersaryo. Payapot ko ing maya oras kaya kayo, lalong-lalo na karing tinggap yung pamangilala, karing mga palabas Aldo. Mananasana ing panwanan ako ning may payang tuto at manatili kayo king kaya kayong misyon, king kaya kayong kayawsan bangkanita, matingkop at mesinop ing miyayalo ang kaganapan kaya tilalawigan at karing miyayalo ang lugar mudikil king kasalpantayanan king kultura at king kaya katampi mamanan pasibayo maya pa oras kaya kayo.
Hello, Nomer and the team behind the Santa Maria Archives of Minalin. First of all, I'd like to greet you on the occasion of your anniversary. And I'd like to convey to you the collective gratitude of the people of Pampanga for the work that you do. Baloy naman, it's not enough for people to just read about what happened. They have to really experience it. And the only way they can do that is by watching the moving pictures of the video documentaries that you take. You are doing a great service, not only to the people of Pampanga today, but to all the Kapampangans that will come tomorrow. So, on behalf of everyone at the Center for Kapampangan Studies, dakal salamat kayo, luwid kayo, at sana dakal pa yung panahon na abe-abe ta.
May payabak po. Papayabot ko po yung congratulations at happy anniversary kay Santa Maria Archives. Hopefully, takal-tapang activities sa Piabe-Yabe at mag-iya pasang active. Kay, not only on Santa Maria in Minalin but also in the history of Pampanga. Dakala salamat po and congratulations for your anniversary.
Happy 11th anniversary to Santa Maria Archives, especially to its founding members, to Kuya Nomer and his companions. Thank you for documenting special events and historical ones in our parishes and even in the Archdiocese of San Fernando. Please continue to become an advocate of heritage preservation and promotion. God bless you. Happy anniversary po.
Maya pa oras, Santa Maria Archives. Balo ko ing kaya kayong gawa, dakal na mo rin at makaba ng panahon. Marakal na documented moments, events, celebrations, at aliwa pang mga palyari. Meka dengaliwa disasters la or calamities or anything like that. Nonetheless, makakuangan, mapipris nga nini. Nga naning meto nga photographer nga nang sinabi. When you capture an event, you praise it. Mayakwayo. At hanggang mayakit ito. So, maya pa oras kaya kayong gagawan, kaya kayong daraptan. Sana makaba pang banwa, kaya kayong makapagsilbi kayo pa kayong kaparang.
Let's celebrate. We're gonna have a good time tonight. Let's celebrate. It's alright. We're gonna have a good time tonight. Let's celebrate. It's alright.